Hi, this is Phil Mitchell at Sunset Ford. Been in the automobile business since I was 18, so 35 years now. I love summer, love the sun, love to be outdoors, love to go fishing, just love the water. Look, I like it all, obviously. Nah, probably Italian. If I'm not working, I'm probably playing with some muscle cars or doing some fishing. Pretty much having fun with my family. I mean, we've got a lot of good things happening around here, you know, a lot of big sales coming up, a lot of, you know, opportunities to take care of customers and give them a better chance at having a great buying experience and ownership of the life of their car. So I'm looking forward to all that. I don't know, I'm just a plain Jane guy, so pretty down to earth, I don't know. No, not real interesting. This is Phil Mitchell at Sunset Ford. See you later.